Revit tutorial, how to create levels and save your project. First, drag the grids upward to create space for the levels. Then type KS, search for levels, and you'll see the shortcut command LL. Type LL, then click from left to right when placing levels to make sure all levels are aligned. Next, check the floor plan views of each level created to see if all the grid lines are reflected. You'll notice that from level 3 to level 5, the horizontal grid lines are not visible. Here's how to fix that. Go to level 3, and click the elevation triangle symbol. You'll see that the gridline bubbles do not extend beyond level 3. Type WT so you can view both level 3 and the elevation at the same time. In the elevation view, click the grid and drag it upward until it extends past level 5. Now the horizontal grid lines will also be visible in level 3. Double check in level 4 and level 5 to make sure they appear correctly. Finally, here's the proper way to save your project. Click the Save icon. Go to Options. Under Maximum Backups, change the value from 20 to 1 so that only one backup file will be created for the project. For the thumbnail preview, remember, it's just a thumbnail. It doesn't mean Revit will automatically open to that view when you open the project. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Revit tutorials.